So we're here. As you may have seen in the title, this is my audition tape for Jenna Marbles' Ratchet Salon. I was supposed to get my hair cut today, and instead I went to Sally's beauty supply store and bought this wonderful bonnet cap highlighter kit. They also got my cat a new toy, which he's playing with. So yeah, it comes with obviously the cap. There's a comb in there for the highlighter, a cap to go over the cap after you put the stuff on, gloves, and the tool that I've been using for the last, I don't know, probably only 10 minutes. I've only done this part to pull all this stuff through. Feeling like a chia pet, feeling ready to take on the world. Not sure if I'm ready to do this for the next however long. But I decided to start drinking, which then gave me the idea to audition for Jenna Marbles' Ratchet Salon. I bet she serves liquor at her salon. Guaranteed. Y'all wear leisure suits and get your hair did. I am willing to be your highlighter cap girl. Y'all want highlights like this? Ooh, come see me. Anyway, so I started this process a couple minutes ago. Actually, it started this afternoon when I thought I was getting my hair cut and then decided to go buy bleach. Here we are. This is just step one. I'm trying to very evenly pull out thin strands of hair. But I can only reach so much of it. As you can see, this is all I've gotten done so far. So I'm going to keep working on this and then get some help with the back of it. And then we're going to dye this. And then we're going to see how good of a beauty guru I am and that I deserve to be a part of Jenna Marbles' Ratchet Salon. And Brad Mondo, if you're watching this, I'm not going to let my hair fall out. I don't know. I kind of know what I grabbed. I kind of think I know what I'm doing, but I haven't dyed my hair in 5 years, hence its length. But yeah, sorry I don't have a before photo. The idea came to me halfway through this bottle of champagne. So let's do this. For those of you thinking this is a bad idea, you're probably right. It's honestly not taking as long as I'd expect it to. And I feel like the pieces are like, oh no. The pieces are almost even. Ratchet who? Beauty guru? Who? This is a look. Oh my god. my god. Wow. Oh wow. That's my hair. Oh no. Just got pulled through multiple holes. Okay. Oh, okay, okay. Jesus. Doesn't take that long. All the YouTube videos I watched. Oh, Lord. Oh, Lord. Oh. Oh, no. Oh, it's not terrible. We gonna tone it. This is definitely not gonna be enough for my whole head. I'm gonna try. Oh, I'm going with the T14, everybody. So it's one part, 2 parts. I'm gonna use the same developer from the bleach. I sound like because I'm hungover. But I'm still available to get to work at Jenna's Salon. Oh god, oh god. Spilling out there. For next time. Just kidding. There's definitely not going to be next time, but this was fun. And my scrunchie's all covered in bleach. Look, that's nice. So I just wrapped my robe around my waist. I'm gonna go try to find gloves and mix this up. Alright, so I just blow dried it. It's looking pretty good. I'm gonna style it and then get dressed. I'll show you how it looks like. So, this is the final look. It honestly doesn't look very light on camera. I guess it does look like it got a little lighter. I don't hate it. I'm definitely not bleaching it again. I've been to Vegas. I know when to stop. But yeah, I like it.